Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to crochet ear saver. So for that, you will need a yarn. I'm using polypropylene yarn, pair of scissors and hook size 2 mm. You can use hook which suits your yarn. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and press a bell icon to get a notification of new videos. We will start with slip knot. Crochet slip knot. Then we will work chain 10, 1, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Crochet total 10 chains. Then work slip stitch in the first chain. Slip stitch through first chain. We have formed the ring. Then the next row, chain 1 and work 12 single crochet through the ring. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook through the ring, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Crochet total 12 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 single crochet. Then work slip stitch in the first single crochet. Through first single crochet, work slip stitch. The next row, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 4 double crochet through the ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is 1 double crochet. Work 3 more double crochet. First 3 chain we will count as 1 double crochet, and then we are working 4 double crochet, then add chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, work 5 double crochet through the ring, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 5 double crochet, then add chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then again we will work 5 double crochet through the ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then add chain 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, and one more time we will work 5 double crochet through the ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more 5, add chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work slip stitch to the first 3 chain. In the third chain work slip stitch, cover the all ends properly. Now we will work the one side part. For that we will work first chain 3, crochet chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. We will turn the work and work 5 double crochet in chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more 5, then work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work again 5 more double crochet through the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more 5, then turn the work and work from the second stitch, work slip stitch from 1, 2, from the second stitch work slip stitch, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. In next stitch insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. In next stitch insert the hook and yarn over and pull through 3 slip stitch and the 4th slip stitch through the chain 3 space. Then work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And again we will work in chain 3 space. We will work 5 double crochet plus chain 3 plus 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Add chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 5 more double crochet in chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then turn the work and work slip stitch from the second stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. And then in chain 3 space, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Then work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This time we will crochet 4 double crochet plus chain 2, 3 and 4, 4 double crochet plus chain 2 and we will work 4 more double crochet through the chain 3 space, means 4 double crochet plus chain 2 plus 4 double crochet in chain 3 space. See how it looks in decreasing order we are working. Turn the work slip stitches from the second stitch, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, and then in chain 2 space, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. And now we will work chain 3 and in chain 3 space, in chain 2 space, work 3 double crochet plus chain 2 plus 3 double crochet, 2 and 3 plus chain 2, 1 and 2 and work 3 more double crochet in chain 2 space, 1, 2 and 3, And now the last decreasing stitches. Work slip stitch first, turn the work and work slip stitch. Insert the hook yarn over and pull through, and another slip stitch through the chain 2 space. This time we will work chain 3 and crochet 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and then add chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and then work slip stitch in the second double crochet. In this stitch we will work slip stitch, then work 2 more double crochet in chain 2 space, 1 and 2 plus chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work slip stitch through chain 2 space. At last work chain 1 and pull the yarn and cut the yarn. Cover the all ends of the yarn properly. Now we will crochet the same stitches on opposite side. Take the yarn, work slip stitch and work chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3, and work 5 double crochet plus chain 3 plus 5 double crochet in chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then add chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work 5 more double crochet in chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So continue crocheting on the opposite side and complete the stitches. Complete the all stitches and cover the all ends properly. And here we completed the both side, and now we will attach or receive the hooks on the both side and complete the ear saver. And if you're really enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Bye bye.